Hello everyone, welcome to Codersarts and the third video of Streamlit tutorial series. In the previous video, we have seen what is Streamlit and the two examples of Streamlit. In the first example, we showed you 5 lines of code and its output. In that code, read the data from CSV file and created a drop-down menu to select column, and then display chart based on the selected data. And in the second example, we showed you deployed prediction model using Streamlit, where users could input values and see the model prediction in their web browser. Plus, we have also seen Streamlit key features, discussed its benefits, and highlighted some of its drawbacks. Now, in this video, we will discuss how to install Streamlit. It's a very easy task. So before we install Streamlit, you will need to ensure that you have a few things in your system. As you know, Streamlit is a Python library, so you must have Python installed on your system. Streamlit works with Python 3.6 and the above version, so you must have Python installed with the version above 3.6. I will show you how to check the Python version, so let's go to the Anaconda command prompt. In my system, Anaconda installed, so it will come with the latest version of Python 3. So to check the version, you just type Python --version. Make sure the output show a version of Python that is 3.6 or higher. If you don't have Python installed or your version is outdated, we will need to take care of that first. Now you also need to have the Python package manager pip installed on your system. In most cases, it comes pre-installed with Python. You can check the version of pip by this command pip --version. Sometimes library may get error while installing the packages or library. It happens because of the older version of the pip. You can upgrade this by command python -m pip install -upgrade pip. Here you can see in my case requirement already is satisfied. Okay, so now let's move into the Jupyter notebook and try to import Streamlit. Let's try to the import Streamlit library. As you can see, when we execute the code, it's getting the error because Streamlit is not installed. We need to install Streamlit. So let's move again Anaconda command prompt and type pip install Streamlit. This command will start downloading the packages. Here you can see the Streamlit is successfully installed. To make sure that you have installed Streamlit correctly, just type Streamlit hello. This will open a welcome page, and over here you can see that we have some documentation link. So now Let's move again to the Jupyter notebook and let's try to the import library. Now this time you can see the code is successfully executed and we didn't get any error. Now you are ready to build web application using Streamlit. I will show you how to build a basic first web application using Streamlit in the next video. So thanks for watching and stay tuned.